People, me go tell you one story. See? So my daughter them beg and plead and ask for one dog. See? Months them ask for a dog. And me say no. Me say no for months. They make a PowerPoint and they do a little presentation. Say how them are going to take care of the dog, how them are going to walk the dog, and when them gone out, them are going to bring them dog. People, look here. Tell me now. Tell me now. Come this way, Milo. Eh? Jesus Christ. Now I'm here a mile off here tread it. I'm here a mile off here do road. Come this way, Milo. You're going this way. Let's go. Yeah, I'm here a mile off here tread it. And them gone about them business. And left me a mile alone on the road. But I tell you now, people, if you don't have no picnic them, and then tell you, say, get them a dog, get them a cat, and them are going to take care of it, and them are going to do this, and them are going to do that. Don't trust them. I set them, I set you up. You see me? Because I never used to do this in Jamaica. I never used to do this in Jamaica. No, me have to walk, dog. I have to walk with plastic bag in my pocket. Come, Milo, this way, this way. People don't know do it. I beg you no. Come, Milo, don't go in the road.